Yo, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how I bought and took delivery of a Tesla Model 3 in just 3 days. So yes, you heard me correctly. I bought and took delivery of this 2019 Tesla Model 3 in less than 3 days. Now, how did I do it? Well, it was a little bit of an unconventional way, but I actually purchased this car from a dealer. I have a dealer in the area that I live that specializes in used Tesla. They have quite a few Model S's and Model X's, but they got in a couple almost brand new Tesla Model 3s. So I wasn't able to pick the color, I wasn't able to pick any additional options, but I got the car delivered in less than 3 days. So super awesome way to do it. I'm gonna go over a few of the pros and cons to buying from a dealer. First, let's go over the pros. Pro, I got the car in 3 days. Most people in my area have to wait 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks, depending on the package that they choose. But I was able to pick this guy up in just 3 days, so that was super awesome. Another pro, I could trade in. I didn't have to worry about selling my car. I traded the car in. They gave me pretty much what I wanted for it, and I didn't have to worry about it. So that was a huge pro. You can't do that with Tesla. They don't take trade-ins. Another pro, financing. One of the things on the Tesla website a lot of people don't realize is you put down your $2,500 deposit, then you have to put down an additional $7,500 before you can even do the financing. So that's $10,000 out of pocket, which I'm not. I put a much smaller amount down and I was able to finance the car at a great rate, very similar to the rates that Tesla offers, so I was super happy. Another big pro is I have the exact same warranty that I would have if I had bought the car brand new. So that is super awesome. So I think the warranty on the batteries is up to 192,000, 8 years now, which is super awesome. So that's a big pro, keeping the exact same warranty that I would have if I bought the car brand new. So let's go over some of the cons. One of the biggest cons is I couldn't customize the car in any way. Basically, they had 3 different models, different colors, different options. So I just kind of narrowed it down to what was most important to me and picked from 3. Where if you go on the Tesla website, you've got the opportunity to pick a ton of different colors, different options, different range, different performance, all that jazz. So definitely a con. I only got to choose between 3 different models versus customizing it to whatever I wanted it to be. That didn't really matter that much to me because this car was the right price range and had everything I wanted anyway. So it's a con to some people, but wasn't really a con to me. Only thing is, I probably would have ordered blue. Yeah, I would have ordered blue. I love this gray. It's actually a $1,600 paint option to get the gray. It's a super awesome color, but I'm kind of partial to blue cars. The last 2 cars I had were blue. So another con, sort of, was it took quite a while for me to get app access. So I actually had to use the plastic key card. It actually took me contacting Tesla about 4 weeks later to find out what was going on. They actually admitted that the dealer had submitted all of the transfers and they kind of weren't sure what was going on. And then literally the next day I got app access. I think I got put to the bottom of the list because it was a 2019 Model 3, but it was a used one and it wasn't sold directly from Tesla. So that was kind of a con, waiting a long time for app access. Other than that, guys, like, those are the only 2 cons that I can think of. There's not a lot different than buying this car directly from Tesla, other than customizing it, than the way that I actually bought the car. So I'm super happy with the car. If a Tesla Model 3 is something that you're looking for and you don't want to worry about putting down the $2,500 and then another $7,500 later, definitely check out your local classifieds and see if there's any dealers in your area that are specializing in used Model 3s. If there are, go have a look, see what you can find. Give them a call, see what they might have coming in, and you might be able to get really lucky like me and get a 2019 Tesla Model 3 in just 3 days. So if you love Teslas and want to see more videos like this one, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.